Hello and a very warm welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Today I have the absolute pleasure and delight to be showing you around and demonstrating some of the features and controls on this beautiful 2019 GLE350d AMG Line Night Edition Premium Plus. It's an absolutely superb vehicle. Host of specification above and beyond, all included in the Premium Plus package. And this 2019 car has only covered 33,244 miles. It comes complete with full service history. First serviced back in February of 2020 at just 5,613 miles. Again, February of 2021 at 13,364 miles. February 22, again at 19,595 miles. And twice actually in the March of this year. So only just recently serviced on the 3rd of March at 22,181 and again on the 21st of March 31,299 miles. So it really does speak volumes of how well this vehicle has been looked after. We have £2,795 worth of Premium Plus package, which I'll now show you around the car and demonstrate some of these features. Now, before we get to the Premium Plus package, I must say the brilliant blue metallic paintwork is absolutely stunning. We have a fantastic contrast with this being the night edition. So we have the bi-colour 20-inch AMG alloy wheels, high gloss black front splitter and louvres in the grille, as well as privacy glass and the high gloss black door mirror casings and window trims. Really does look superb. Now, if we walk over to the vehicle, we can start with the first feature. By putting our hand behind the door handle, we have the keyless entry. As well as the keyless entry, keyless go. So by just keeping your keys in your pocket, your bag, and that is going to get you in the car and get you started. Now just scanning over to the door card. So for both driver and front passenger, we have 3-stage electric memory seats, which will store your driving or passenger seat exactly. And for the driver, also record the steering column and mirrors. If you like your music, we have the upgraded Harman Kardon surround sound system, giving you a lovely, crisp, clean sound. But we mustn't forget, we do also have a sliding panoramic glass sunroof. It really does brighten up the cabin. It's finished with the full black Artico upholstery. So this is actually a man-made leather, which does actually wear better than real leather. And if we just take ourselves to the inside of the car, I'll just close this door and start it up. Mercedes-Benz welcomes us, and we have the COMAND Online system, which is actually an acronym for Cockpit Management and Navigation Display, the best that Mercedes-Benz offer. Scanning down, 3-stage heated seats for both driver and front passenger, and dual zone climate control. I'll just scan back up to the infotainment system. Not only a reversing camera, but a 360-degree parking camera also. We have the brushed aluminium trim finisher. The car, all in all, superb. And the 350 engine, very torquey, very, very good engine. We have a choice of drive modes, with this being the 4MATIC, so it is extremely capable. And again, just to verify the mileage there, at 33,244. And now I'd just like to take the opportunity to thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found that useful. I'll say the vehicle is beautiful, it's very well looked after, very well maintained, and it's a pleasure to have in stock here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. So for any further information, please give our award-winning sales team a call. We're happy to discuss all your requirements, from financing, extended warranties, and of course our Lifeshine Auto Glim to protect this beautiful paintwork. Thanks again for watching.